My name is Thomas Schü and I work for Lonza. We're a Swiss company in the area of life sciences. We do custom manufacturing for pharmaceutical companies and also chemical manufacturing. We thought it was a good idea to bring good people from OSI and Lonza together and focus on one problem to deliver value in a short period of time. The fit was extremely good. The complementarity of capabilities were excellent. So that was, I think, key to the success. Being able to bring, someone with the OSI background, very powerful, very knowledgeable, exactly the kind of mix that we actually needed in that project. The ability for us to look into our data in more detail was an eye-opener. We were able to identify specific areas where we could improve on, and those areas now we're working on in order to bring those improvements onto the shop floor. One of the key elements which come out of it is not just to know what the tool can do, but also what are the capabilities we internally need to develop. And these specific roles around data analytics, data science, the infrastructure of our OT environment, things like that which now we are tackling. So now we know much better what we need to do in order to scale it up and reap the benefits.